What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tiny, and as you can see by the background, we are set up in a ground blind. It's also why we're whispering. And I got company tonight. Sitting here hunting with my brother-in-law, the wife's little brother Jared, and we are sitting in a brand new blind. Stay tuned to see how this goes. So we were set up in the ground blind. We literally just got this bad boy yesterday in the mail. Popped it up this afternoon, and we are hunting it this afternoon. It is a monster of a ground blind. Popping up the specs right now. It is a pentagon blind, not your normal four-sided. It has 5 sides, and as you can see from this next picture, it seats 4 people comfortably, and it is massive. We have tons of room, and our view is just as good. We're all set up to film, and we'll see what happens. We are on the field where I hunted during the antlerless portion for doe patrol, and because we had so much commotion out today, I put out the doe decoy just so if someone walks up to the field, it might ease on out and investigate and see what's going on. I don't think it'll bring in a buck or nothing, but it might get a couple slick heads in here for us to take aim. I see at least 10. I think that one in the back is a gobbler. A lot of hands. The 2 in the back are males. Seeing beards on both of them. Yep. I'll see how much I'm on right now. You notice they won't all put their heads down at once. There's always like 2 observing. Oh, you get their attention now. There you go. Give it a minute, we'll do it again. I think they're more focused on eating right now.
They looked.
Yeah, they did look though.
I need to go turkey hunting.
This is exciting though, we're seeing stuff. They're looking around right now. just had some excitement. For about the last 4 minutes, we've had about 10 to 15 turkeys in front of us. They're about 80 yards out this way, and now they're more like 150 to 200 or so. But that's pretty cool. We just want to see some deer or something. We yelped at them a little bit. Neither one of us consider ourselves to be turkey hunters whatsoever. But it was awesome. I mean, we ain't been set up but maybe 40 minutes. It might be 3:30, so it's still early in the afternoon, and we've already got several good minutes of footage. And sometimes you'll sit all afternoon and not see anything. So. The turkeys just left the field about an hour ago, and now the cattle are starting to creep back in. We're hoping they don't ruin our setup, but we'll see what happens. They don't know what to think. I know this. If they start to get closer, I gotta go save my decoy. They will destroy it. It's like a standoff. They don't know what to do.
All that on camera.
I didn't get all of it.
Keep me calling her a stupid red heifer.
She was a stupid red heifer. She's trying to destroy my decoy.
So your stake next to your foot over there,
Yeah,
it's not connected.
it isn't.
It's on the outside.
So Jarrett just had to get back in from going to scare all the cattle away because he was about to trample my decoy. Oh, the joys of hunting a cattle farm.
Stupid red heifer.
They just get so inquisitive. They got to come in and inspect. It's one of the things I don't like about setting up ground blinds. It's because they will trample it. They will just stomp all over it. You actually got to kind of put up like a barricade for it, but it is funny. But maybe now that they're leaving, we might see some venison, some deer step out on the field. Stay tuned. Well, guys and gals, we are getting close to dark, and we are going to leave the setup in for tonight, not back in here in the morning. We saw them turkeys, and then the cows came in. Nothing else, but it's been a beautiful afternoon, and it was not a nature set, Matt. We saw stuff, lots of stuff. So, peace. We'll be back in tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. As we said, we slid back in here this morning. The sun's starting to come up. The woods are waking up. It's absolutely beautiful here on the farm, and hopes are high that we catch one slipping. Here we go. We just had a wily coyote come in. He stared down the decoy, and then he looked at us in the blind. Gone like a bolt of lightning. We was both ready to take aim at him. We did a couple predator calls towards him, but he didn't want no part of this. But man, that happened quick. Better than seeing nothing. Alright guys, that concludes this hunt and this video right here. Jarrett just got done closing up the fences as we was leaving the farm. So, as always, bye. Make good choices.